What's happening?
It's just too cold.
Too cold, man. We in Miami, bruh. What's happening? What's happening? That man's sleeping, man. What's going on? Come on, Kesson. Come on, man. What's happening?
It's just too cold.
Too cold, man. We in Miami, bruh.
I go jump
Man, dude sleeping in this whole jacket. You said what?
Go jump in the ocean.
Damn, go jump in the ocean. Hey, the ocean is pretty warm out there, so I'm with it.
No cap.
Where LB at?
We should.
Snoop, where your shirt at, bro?
Nobody gave me one.
What's Florida wrong, bro?
Florida?
Hey, you got a shirt for him?
Fit me up, man.
Yo,
Fit me up.
I got the drone to work out here, bro.
I'm about to try it again right now. Hollywood, man. What's going on?
Hollywood.
Facts. Where we at right now? Hollywood?
Hollywood and Hollywood, Florida.
Hollywood, Florida. Yes, sir.
Worldwide.
Bruh.
Vlog cam.
Bruh.
Vlog cam. Vlog cam.
No drones? Down.
Too close to the what? Alright.
Yeah, so you gotta have an approval from the air traffic control tower and a permit from the city.
Yeah, they don't take off unless you have that approval anyway, so it's like,
okay, cool.
look, it'll literally tell us, like, boom, you can't take off in that red circle. And
Oh, okay.
This blue area is
Cool,
good.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
And there's still the other thing, like I said, we need a permit, but like I said, we're on from 9 to
With
5.
these ones, you don't need a permit. This is under
No, from the
the weight
city.
limit.
No, from the city, like we can't have any to fly.
No, yeah,
In a public area.
that's for the weight limit joints. The ones that's above the weight limit.
Maybe I gotta do some more research on it, but that's just what's passed out.
I got you, man. We gonna head out of here and try to get something like down there more. So. All right, thank you, man. No, fuck that. Go right now. I'm about to literally go right past this little wall right here. I ain't walk all the way over here to not try. Good smell, man. Take off permitted. Stop playing with me.
Brother, I really don't want to take a lot of the time. Man, no, you come in here, man. I heard the whys yesterday, and a lot of the whys were similar. Right? A lot of the whys were, I didn't have a dad in my life. I didn't have a mom in my life. You feel me? I didn't have money. I had to make the best situation that I could do out of it. So I said, bro, I need you to speak on that today. He said, I got you. So let's get a round of applause for my man. Let's get it.
Yo, what's up, fam? Amazing. My name is Nando. I'm 26 years old. I was born and raised in New York City. I'm from the hood, right? And, I did graduate from college. I have a bachelor's in sports management, minor in business. Now, my whole entire life, all I ever wanted to do was play baseball, guys. I never saw myself doing what I'm doing right now. This was not ever my dream. My dream was to play for the New York Yankees, retire my mom, retire my dad, take them out the hood. That's any Dominican person's dream, right? And unfortunately, I hurt my shoulder. My chances of going pro get taken away from me. Now I'm put in one of the toughest positions I've ever been in my life, because the vehicle that was helping me accomplish my dream had crashed and I had no chance of getting it back. Darwin introduces me to the business and I was very skeptical at first. I didn't really want to do it. I wasn't into it, but I was like, you know what, fuck it, this is all I got. Mind you, at the time, I didn't even have the money. I didn't have the money to get started with this business. My mom gave me the money to get started with this. She gave me $500. At the time, it was $200 to sign up. It was $195. I signed up, I put $100 into a broker and the rest in my pocket, and the rest has been history, right? I'm actually 3 years into the business now. I'm a chairman 10, sneeze away from 25. I've traveled the world. I'm one of the top leaders in New York City now. I've been able to take this business and invest into one of my dreams, right, which is to have my own baseball academy in the Dominican Republic. So I'm grateful for that. I have my own podcast, as you guys know, Mornings with Nano. It's currently ranked number 65 in the United States for business. Now, look, I don't say any of that stuff to impress you guys. I say it to press upon you that 3 years ago, my mom gave me $500 for this business. I had no money. I was broke, down and out. But you know what I knew? That in order for my life to change, I had to change.
If you gotta make the change, make the change. Honestly, I'm speaking from the heart right now. Make the change. Because no one else is gonna do it for you. I guarantee you, no one else is gonna give you a handout. Nobody. This is really for you. This is for your kids. This is for your family. That's why I'm doing this for y'all. I want y'all to see different perspectives. So the next individual I want to bring up is like a brother to me. I kid you not. One of my favorite chairmen. I had a chance to work with this man for a month. It's crazy. More than a month. And he really taught me and my team how to get the fuck on the phone. You talk about dedication and grind, this man got nothing but that. You talk about giving everything in your bank account, this man does nothing but that. Right? My brother C. John, right? And now clap it up if you're grateful. Clap it up if you're grateful. Clap it up a little bit more if you're grateful. Oh, you gotta be grateful, man. First and foremost, I want to thank my brother Faz, man, for just getting me out here and he said forward. Raise your phone in the air if you got a phone. Raise it in the air. Right? Take your phone out right now. Just take your phone out. Take your phone out. And I want you to put it to your ear. I want you to put it to your ear. Right? And I want everybody to stand up. Right? And I want everybody to follow the person that's around us. Let's just walk. Let's just imagine ourselves with our phone out here. No, just in a circle though, in a circle. Just keep the phone to your ear, right? Keep the phone to your ear, because I need you to be on the phones. See, we don't do the things, you gotta exercise the things that we need to do in our business, right? Now you know what to do when you feel like I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy and grateful. When I walk into the dealership. I get whatever I want. I'm so happy and grateful. When I look at the back office. I'm gonna say one, you say two, you say three. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Man, I'm putting you on the spot, man. Hey, man, what y'all do today, man?
Today, I woke up, y'all saw me, almost get back to napping again. Came out here, jumped in the ocean. quick shower, and then we came out here as a whole family, Wealth Club, and we were just grateful for all the opportunities, the blessings that have been put into our life, all the people that are around us, and really just being grateful for the future that we're attracting. Everything that we're doing now is for a reason. It's all for a goal. We all have different goals, but we're all going there together. So really, man, just being grateful, being appreciative for what we got, and then just realizing that we gotta go all in, gotta go harder. Mama mentality for real.
Think about what they said.
So Neno came out, and that was honestly somebody that I hopped on his calls when I first came into the business. That was somebody who opened my eyes to personal development and realizing that if I want to elevate in life, I have to elevate myself first. So truly grateful for Neno coming out here and also being able to do mornings with Neno on the beach in the morning when everybody back in Arizona is probably still sleeping. Most people don't wake up to the moon, right? Sleeping while the whole world is living. So it really is, I'm just grateful for this. Next we have C-John come up. C-John really came in and created a culture for our team to really, you know, keep grinding when we really think we got free time. So all of us say that, you know, we want something, we want to do something, but for all the time that we do have, we do nothing. We do nothing to go get it. So the people that are around me, man, are pushing me to the next level. You can see C-John right here still giving value to the team. So truly grateful for the people I'm surrounded with. Wealth Club is going to the top, not stopping. This right here was what you thought you needed to hit your goals. Boom, and then you realize you need to go 10 times harder. Because it's not enough. You think it's enough, it's not enough. You gotta go harder. You gotta go harder.
My guy.
Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
What? I gotta make my bill money. My son needs some milk. In this one time, I fuck around and kill. You fuck around, you fuck around, you fuck around, get smoked. Oh yeah. After the pre-sales, after the status, after the mid-pack statements, after the Kesson. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Joy low, millions of the money like a 6 mile, big mile, knock a bitch down, bigger up, like a back down, pull a jacks out, yes I slap out, yes I slap down, yes I slap down, yes I'll slap a pussy nigga if he act out. Chill.
Hey,
This is like a capitalist trade, nigga.
if you not trading, hey, that's crazy as fuck. What's up? Turn the camera. Stupid ass too.
Hold on. This. Yeah, so I just want to thank my boy Drew, because he really came out here and he really taught me the ropes. Also, I want to say one thing, man.
Nope.
What you thought this was, boy? Stop playing. World Club to the fullest, nigga. Stop playing. Join the movement. Strictly trade. I'm not gonna say no more.
Damn, you got the Rona.
About to.
Hold on. I'm letting you get ready.
Let me get my settings.
Look, you should be trading. You should be trading. Hey, yo, Kesson. Kesson.
Hey, yo, Kesson, man, we about to go pop these
You
bottles,
gotta pop the
man.
bottles if you want to come. Just letting you know, bro.
Hey, man.
You got a whole leg that people just
Kesson.
built
That
up.
nigga
Now
lost.
you know
There we
everybody gonna
go.
pop the bottles for the new range.
Hey, about to go pop bottles on the beach, man.
All right, we tried. He done. That boy is done.
You good, man?
Yeah, my boy's fried.
Oh yeah, he done so.
His eyelids.
I think he lit too.
My phone must have died. Fuck. I put mine on the charger.
I need everybody that got a bottle to stand over here. If you don't got a bottle, go over here. I don't give a fuck if it's raining. I really don't. Because I've celebrated people when it's raining. I celebrated people when it's snowing. I celebrated people when it's hot as fuck. I don't care. We here to celebrate other people's success. Okay? We here to celebrate other people's success. Yes, sir. First off, all right, let's start with CEO, man. Let me get your bottle, man. Hey.
That's the real CEO.
Real CEO.
That's the real CEO.
Talk to him. Y'all gotta understand how this shit goes.
I know how this shit goes.
All right, do y'all know how this shit goes?
I know how this shit goes.
No. Do y'all know how this shit goes?
Yeah.
AZ, I know y'all know how this shit goes. Do y'all know?
Let's go.
So what happens when I go right here? Okay, what happens when I go right here? Okay, y'all know what's going on. I want y'all to understand, we celebrate other people's success like it's our success right now. If my nigga hit P6, we just hit P6.
Fuck it up, CEO.
Let's go, CEO. Real player shit. Yes, sir.
You should be trading.
100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch.